Alright, so today we're gonna do a makeup tutorial on St. Patty's Day. It's gonna be a nice little green. Gonna get that good look. Gotta get lucky. Okay, so here we go. We're still trying to figure out stuff. Still. Okay, yep, that's my chin. Got Elf on the shelf. Oh, yep, make sure you get 2 squirts. You gotta rub it in. Get all over the face. You gotta make sure you gotta moisturize the face. Just throwing makeup now. Oh yeah, slow motion for you. Yeah, Elf. There we go. 3rd time's a charm. Nice little cream. Make sure you rub it into your cheeks pretty good. Oh, mouth and chin too. Oh, nose, forehead. Gotta get that forehead. There you go, now it's fully rubbed in. Oh, here comes the green. I like Elf. Okay, I got confused. Oh, going football style with the green. Make sure you rub it all the way in. Make sure your mouth's closed. You don't want to eat that. There we go. Oh, Morphe. Nope. Bright colors. I use like 4. High five. Okay, 1 second, guys. Oh, I don't know what that is. Oh, there we go. Gonna highlight the eyes and rub it in with my sponge. Smearing it off. Oh, here comes the green. Oh, the bright green. John Deere green. And just rub it all over the lid. Takes a couple tries. It's getting greener. Just gotta really get in there. That looks painful to the eyeball. Now we're gonna go with darker green. I think you're going over the same spots. Yep, there you go. Look at that green eyelid right there. Just keep going over it. It gets greener. Up. Yeah, we're going back to the bright one. getting some work. And I use my bigger brush, finer brush, for the dark green. Just gonna go from the outside. I'm gonna highlight the other green with this dark green. Yep. It's looking green. Gotta get the... Oh, going back to the bright. We're just not sure what color we want to use. That's my nail. Oh, just rub it in with your finger. Now, why don't we do that from the beginning? That was so much faster. And that's how you get that smoky look. That or a leprechaun hit you. You're gonna go back and forth between the bluish green and the bright green. And gonna go back to highlighting. Oh, gotta wipe it off. Oh. Going back to, gotta put it back on. There we go. Oh, going yellow. Watch out, people. Changing it up. Just above the eyeball. 1 second. And the other one magically appears. Once you're done one, the other one just follows. And I put so much of this liquid on my hand. Alright, now that I put concealer everywhere. I think it's concealer. I'm not sure. Oh, foundation. There we go. Put foundation everywhere. Forehead. We'll get there. Yep, there we go. Tap it, tap it, tap it. And we're almost there. So much face. Oh, and the neck. Just when you thought you were done. Alright, going back over all the spots, make sure everything is perfect. Now I'm going to use another highlighter. There you go, get that. Gotta get that marine look. Oh, never mind. I don't know what that is. We're gonna highlight the cheeks, the nose, and the chin. Just rub it in. Oh, wipe it in. full chin. A little bit on your forehead. Oh, gotta get those nostrils. Don't miss a spot. Oh, don't get that. Don't get that. No, don't get it on the green. There we go. I don't know where I'm at right now. Got a little bit of mob. Oh. And that is a brown. Dark brown. There you go. Oh, back to the sponge. And this is where you're going to get your little highlights. Contouring. Contouring. It's a condor. It's a bird. That's what you're going to put on you. Gonna put it on your cheekbones, rub it in. We're halfway there, people, don't worry. As you can tell, she's very happy about it too. Alright, now that we're almost done this, I could be wrong. This is a long process. Alright. Big brush. Oh, a little bit of a redder color. Reddish brown. That Georgia clay. Gonna go right over what you just did. Brings out the color. Alright, now we're gonna... Oh, air spun. Bigger brush. Seems like the further you go in, the bigger the brushes get. Up, up. Oh, getting the powder. I think this is baking. For some reason you gotta bake your face. Helps the makeup stay on. Alright, a little bit under the eyes and cheekbones. Oh, jawline. Oh, chin too. Oh, oh, nose. Oh. Slowly getting the whole face. Whole face. Oh, tiny brush. I lied, people. Getting a little bit of green. Dark green. Oh, going under the eye. Don't poke your eye out, people. Gotta go very slow. And it looks like you're concentrating very hard. Oh, a little tap of yellow in the corner of the eyes. It's your little pot of gold. Here comes that big brush. There we go. And just get everywhere. Rub it all in. Pretty fast too, I think. Go. Don't care. Messy bun. What? orange. Oh, there you go. You gotta get those eyelashes. Gotta make them look cool. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Look at them eyelashes. Look at that eyeball just staring into you. Just stares into your soul. That's what I see every day. Beautiful brown eye. Oh, gold stick. Oh, mascara. Oh, you learn a thing or two. Alright. Almost done. Alright, gold box with the, oh, pink. We're going pink on St. Patty's Day. Oh, I gotta get those rosy cheeks. Just little circles. I'm happy. No idea what that is. It looks beige. Oh, we're going back with a highlighter. Oh, back over everything we just did. Oh yeah, I like that look. Whatever it is, she is very happy about it. Ah, lipstick, lip gloss, lip something. How every girl puts on lipstick. And that is your makeup tutorial on St. Patty's Day. Look how beautiful. Please subscribe and watch my channels. Thank you.